Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for tuning in. In this channel, we share methods on how to make money online. We also share remote jobs. So if you're new, welcome. I hope you do stay. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. So today we're having another entry-level plug, and I don't want to waste your time. So let's get straight into it. So name of the company is TRANSCRIPT, and this is how their website looks like. Here it says become a transcriber, subtitler, or translator. So if you are someone who is looking into these positions, then you are in the right place, and this video is definitely for you. So this position is pretty much flexible. You can work anywhere you want and whenever you want. All you need to have is an excellent language skills and great attention to details. You also need to have a laptop with a reliable internet connection. So this is why you should choose TRANSCRIPT. You are going to work whenever you want. The job can be done from your home, in the comfort of your own home, any place you like, as long as you have reliable internet connection, and also you have a flexible work schedule. You can decide which jobs you would like to take on. You're not obliged to transcribe a set of amount of hours, and you are going to be paid every month, and you receive your payment via PayPal or bank transfer. So your task as a transcriber will be, firstly, you are going to listen to audios, you revise and automatically generate text to make it perfect, and also label speakers. So you are going to be paid between 45 cents in euros to 120 cents in your per audio videos in euros. So to get started, you click on apply now. I'm pretty sure you will write a test after that, and then once the test is done and you pass the test, you will be called for more steps and get hired. And up next is a captioner position, and as a captioner you will watch videos, you will revise the automatically generated text to make it perfect. You will format and synchronize a text with audio, and you are going to be paid between 90 cents and 190 cents per audio video. And should you want to become a translator, your task will be to watch a captioned videos, revise the matching translated captions to make them perfect, and you also format and synchronize a text with audio. So you are going to be paid between 3 euros and 50 cents and 6 euros per audio video. And lastly, you can work as an audio description script writer, dubbing, script writer, or as a dubbing or voiceover actor or artist. So here are your tasks. You're going to write audio description script to make content accessible for the blind and visually impaired. So you are also gonna write and translate a dubbing of voiceover script to transform text into speech, and then you're also gonna record dubbing of voiceover audio tracks and mix it with the original audio. So you are going to be paid between 3 euros and 16 euros per audio video. So to get started, you click on apply now, and then you'll be directed to a test, and you'll write the test. As soon as you pass the test, you'll be contacted for more steps. So now let's go check out frequently asked questions, but we're not gonna cover all of them. We're just gonna select a few that are interesting. So one is interested on how would they receive jobs. So here it says we work with a transcriber platform where you see an overview of all assigned or available jobs to you. So when they assign or invite you for a job, you will also be notified via an email or Slack, which is used to communicate with the transcriber base on a daily basis. So you obviously gonna see task on your end, and also if they invite you, you definitely gonna see that. So next question, very interesting, all about the application process. It says, what does the application process look like, and when will I be approved to start working for EmberScript? And then the answer says, at the moment we receive a lot of applications, and therefore it can take a couple of weeks before we get back to you. Waiting time depends on your native languages. Once we reach out to you, you'll be requested to do a job based on the Ember script guidelines. You will have 48 hours to take the test. If you pass, which will let you know within they will let you know within a few days, and you can start working immediately. So as soon as you pass the test, then you can start working. But because of the waiting period, you don't have to expect them to respond to you as soon as possible. It's going to take a couple of weeks, as they've said. And the next question says, are they mandatory working hours, or do I have to work a minimum amount of hours each month? So the answer is no. You determined when you work and how often you work. However, you need to keep in mind that when you accept a job, it needs to be submitted before the set deadline. So once, if you know very well that you won't be able to complete a task, I think it's best not to accept a job. And the next question says, how does the payment work? And the answer, you will be paid out every month by either bank transfer or PayPal. You can choose your preferred payout method. So if you do not have a PayPal account, so you can still use your bank transfer. So, but then I would advise you to create a PayPal account because it doesn't have charges. I'm pretty sure that we are interested in the deadline of accepted jobs. So here's another question that covers that. It says, what is the deadline for accepted jobs? Here's the answer. For most jobs, you will have 48 hours to complete after accepting a job on the platform. And the last question says, are the working hours flexible? And answer says, yes, you can work whenever suits you best, as long as the assignment is submitted before the deadline. So guys, that's it from me. I will see you on the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Bye.